Hi guys, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. Today we will do something interesting. We will turn plain, boring bags or t-shirts or whatever you have into something really nice and cool. And by that I of course mean embroidery. I came up with a very cool design, at least I think it's cool, and I thought I would like to share it with you and embroider it together. And I will share my little tips and tricks how to do embroidery on bags, and in the description box you will find the link to my pattern. It's very easy, quick and simple. Even if you are a beginner, it will be perfect for you. So let's turn this plain basic tote bags into something interesting and cool. And by the way, if you don't feel like embroider or you want to get this exact bag, I will leave a link to my Etsy shop down in the description box so you can go ahead and purchase it. And you can embroider this design not only on the tote bag. You can choose whatever you want, your favorite t-shirt, shirt, dress, jeans, whatever feels boring and plain. So let's grab everything we will need and let's embroider together. You will need the pattern, embroidery needle, scissors, embroidery cloth and embroidery hoop. And that's it. First we have to iron the bag. And now let's transfer the pattern onto the fabric. I always use carbon paper. You can even actually use your window, so if it's sunny day, put your pattern on the window, put your bag on top of it and just trace it. The next trick is to wrap around the embroidery hoop some fabric so it doesn't leave on your bag or on your shirt these awful round marks that are very difficult to get rid of. And now we have our design and it's time to choose the color. I am lately obsessed with this color. I don't even know how to pronounce its name. I will write it down on the screen. But you can choose any color you want or you have available at home. And now let's start embroidering. First we will embroider the hand. It's very easy, just follow the pattern using a stem stitch. Here I decided to use 3 strands, but if you want to make the design bolder, you can use 6. And now let's continue with these tiny leaves. It's just simple lazy daisy stitch. You can make adjustments and make leaves longer or shorter, whatever you like. Okay, and now this bag is ready to rock. I'm really happy how it came out, and I think it looks fresh and cool. I like the details, this tiny leaves, and definitely makes this basic black and white bags pop. I really like tote bags because they are so functional, simple, lightweight. It's very easy to use and it looks great, and when it gets dirty you can just throw it into washing machine and it's done. It looks like new. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed spending this couple of minutes with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I really appreciate every like and comment. It means a lot to me. Take care and I see you in my next one. Bye!